Pinasak ng Langlang. Tumira ang tres. Wala. Warm up lang yun. Warm up. Okay, pass to number 8. Nagti-dribble. Pass to number 2. Naghahanap ng kasama. Pass to number 9. Nagti-dribble. Tumira ng tres. Ganun pa rin. Paasa kay Hugo. Chip. Unang tres para kay Chip. Okay, nagti-dribble. Number 8. Nagti-dribble. Naghahanap ng kasama. Truman. Wala. Rebound by Yakyak. Pass to Langlang. Layup. Yes, sir. This game brought to you by Nevada Health Center. Okay. Nagdi-dribble, number 12, naghanap na kasama. Pinasa to number 4, number 2. Nagdi-dribble. Sumalaksak, naharang, pumasa. Okay, nag-aagawan. Nagdi-dribble, number 12. Pass number 4. Number 12. Number 6, drive.
Oh, wala.
Okay, black ball. Okay, nagdi-dribble. Langlang nagdi-dribble. Pass to Pau, tumira ng tres. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4, pinasa number 8. Okay, crossover. Tumira ng tres. Tumira ng tres. Dip again.
Wow!
Dalawang tres na yun from Jep Roscoe. Okay, nagdi-dribble, number 9. Pass to number 12. Maikli yung kamay. Wala. Okay, pass to Mr. G. Mr. G nagdi-dribble. Who signs there? No good. Nakuha pa rin. Pass to Langlang. Sa sobrang laki, hindi na makayuko. Yak. Okay, nagdi-dribble, number 8. Okay, naghahanap ng kasama. Yes!
Yo!
Yan si Mr. Henry Shaw.
No!
Okay, hala. Upset pa more. Okay, number 8, nagdi-dribble. Umahanap ng kasama. Pinasa to number 12. Okay. Nag-iisip ng anong gagawin. Tumira.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 2 points. Pinasa to number 9. Tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Score naman kayo, guys. Okay, sumalaksak. Number Henry Shine. Wala pa rin. Number 12, nag-dribble. Number 12, pinasa to number 8. Okay. Last touch by number 9. Foul by Papaw, pass to number Jip.
Number Jip.
Langlang, drive. Yak, tumira ang tres. Rebound by Papaw. Pass to Jiron. No good. Sayang. Okay, nagdi-dribble. Number 4, tumira. Nabigan. Wala pa rin. 15 minutes and 40 seconds. Tumira ng tres. Ang layo. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 12. Nagmamadali. Sumalaksak. Yes, sir! Tinitigan ko. Okay, sumalaksak. Kay Langlang, 2 points. Easy basket. Okay, nagdi-dribble, number 8. Sumalaksak. Wala pa rin. Pinasa tong Langlang again. Pinasa to Jip. SM 2 points. By Jip. Oh, nagdi-dribble. Number 9. Number 9, naghahanap ng kasama. Number 9. Okay, okay. I like that.
Oh! Duncan lang!
Pass to Oken for 2 points. Yes, sir. Mister.
Dang, 15 through 2?
Nagdi-dribble. Number 8.
Oh my God!
Pass to number 9. Naghahanap ng kasama. Pass to the middle. Number 11. Ang taas-taas. Rebound by Ken. Easy 2 points. Ba. Lang. Okay, nagdi-dribble. Number 8. Score! 19. Favor of Roscoe Bulls. Tumira na 3. Jet.
Oh!
Munti ka nang hindi masyado. Hindi talaga. Nagdi-dribble. Number 2. Nakita ni Mr. Haron Roscoe.
Harold, you want to try, Audrey? You want to try? Just try.
Pass to number 9. Pass to number 8. Okay, tumira. Wala. Okay, nag-aagawan sa ere. Pinasa tulang lang again. For AC Liam. Yes, sir! The Master MVP. Lang. Roscoe. Pumili kayo ng bahay sa kanya lang pupunta. The Master Brento. SD 2 points. 5. The blue team. Okay, crossover. Nakasok na sa jeep.
Oh yeah, Jib. Oh yeah, Jib.
Yes, sir!
I like that.
Okay, nag-dribble, number 11. Okay, Sabre.
Sup? Who is that? Number 5?
Okay. Pass to Mr. Capo. Nakita si Mr. Yak. Pinasa kay RJ. Pass to Lang. Nag-dribble.
Lang's gonna break him. Oh yeah!
Boys by kasama.
This is boring.
May kasamang foul by number. Foul by number. Number 5.
Record. He wants you to record this.
Yes, sir.
Go wherever the ball. Go slowly. Go follow.
Dribble, number 1.
Make sure they kick.
Sa ilalim,
Like if
number
it's on that side, keep it up there. Put it on the hoop.
RJ.
Yeah, put it back.
Wala pa.
No, I'm not put it closer, bro.
Wala. Kita si Mr. number 7.
Make sure it's good dip chips in.
Kita si number 9. Matras. Pera ng 3. Yes, sir.
Turn.
Humahabol sila. Okay, nag-dribble. Jet. Nag-dribble.
Right there. You just leave it like that.
Mr. Langlan. The Realtor MVP. Tumera ng 3. Wala. Okay, rebound by Mr. Yaka. Pass to
Oh, wait.
Mr. Yaka.
Go.
Naagaw ni Mr. 11. Kita si Mr. 9. Pinasa to number 4. Take ng maaga. Okay, naagaw.
Yeah.
Okay. Sub. Sub.
Where's Where's the ball?
There, just put it even right there. Make sure it's good because he's gonna post it. You can adjust it like that.
Oh, bro, you didn't tell me that.
Number 5, Mr. Floji. Pinasa to number 7. Pinakita si number 11. Pinasa to number 4. Number 12. Pumasok si number 7. Tumira. Hindi ko nakita yun.
No, I'm gonna go get Rome so he can switch.
Oh, nakita. Okay. Yes. Counted. Foul. Mr. Foul. Tumira. Ready Aguilar. Tumira. For free throw. Oh, no good. Okay, Mr. Jeje. Pinasa to Mr. RJ. Number 12. Okay, Tumira ng 3. Yes, sir. 3 points by Mr. RJ. Okay, Floji. Hinanap si number 11. Number 9. Si Mr. Freddy Galore. Number 12. Okay, remove by number 11. Nakita si number 12 sa ilalim. Layup, no good. Foul by Mr. Jeje.
That's not our
Number Jeje.
No, but that kid, he could. That little one. Yes, he did.
Okay, 2 free throw by number 12.
No, with the Kobe's though. He still made shots on him.
Miss 1.
Wait, so those are gonna be.
This is the last throw. Mr.
Yeah.
Wall.
He said he was on our team. I think
Foul by Mr. Yakya. Hinanap si Jeje. Okay, nakikita si Jeje. Hinanap si Mr. RJ. Tumira
You
ng
wanna record,
10
RJ?
again. No
You
good.
wanna record?
Okay,
Bro.
remove by Mr. Jeje.
Archie, you don't have to.
Tumira again. Yes, sir. Mr. RJ. 3 points. This game brought you by Figo. Pag meron nito, di kakakain ng lamok ng mga pamilya mo. Okay. Oh, good.
Hey, Jerome.
RJ again. No
Oh,
good.
gray shirt kid is gonna.
Pinasa ulit to RJ. Yes,
only
sir. RJ. 3 points.
I think he's gonna play. Oh, he's not.
Substitution red.
Hey, but
Time out blue.
the rest of the kids, the kid that could tell me played him, and that's how we know. Some of the kids here are kind of
This game
they're like up to my stuff.
brought you by Figo.
he's right here to me.
He cooked you?
No, the first game it was 3-10.
He still
I
cooked
had 10.
Still cooked.
Score 35.
Kings like
11.
Kings like cooked.
Favor all. Roscoe Bowlers. Time 7:45 minutes.
You're not playing? No volleyball?
Time rip.
Can you grip it, Ava?
Blue ball.
Audrey.
Face out.
I don't know, 7.
Tama mo blue.
That jersey's still.
Okay, nag-blue ball. Okay.
One piece jersey.
Nag-blue ball. Kasama. Sa na. Tumera. Blue ball.
The blue team look like
Baway.
they're from
Jip jip. Pasulangan.
Stop.
Third pass to number 4. Nag-dribble. Nag-dribble. Number 4. Naghahanap ng kasama. Naghahanap ng screen. Okay.
Audrey,
Agaw pa rin yung number 4. Lang. Will and Baby Wilson.
Wait, no, I don't know how to switch out the battery.
Oh! Foul.
did Jip Jip already switch the battery?
Yeah, Coaching foul by Mr. Lama.
JJ,
Okay,
record.
number 2. Agaw pa rin ni Mr. Yak-Yak. Sumalaksak. Nakita si Jim.
It has to be good because it's supposed to be.
Yeah, I know.
Inaila sa mo.
You know what you're doing?
Okay, low post by Mr. Yak-Yak.
You gotta give me this, bro.
Give me a fist bump. Can you give me a fist bump?
Yeah, Mr.
Have a
Will.
Yeah. Ball, green, green. Ball, green.
Okay, goes over by Mr. Jim. Nakita sa ilalim si Mr. Okay, maliit yung kamay.
Ball, green.
Substitution.
Oh, they're going for. Oh, no, for press. No, he's wasting clock. No? Oh, I know that guy.
Okay, number 8.
He was at Face Connection.
Dribble. Okay,
I still
hinaras ni
sit
Mr.
there with my
Lama.
dad with like older people.
Okay, nakita si number 12. Tumiyang sa gilid. Yes, sir. Number 12. 2 points. Kasi 2 points. Versus 3 points by Mr. Lama.
I'm fangirling.
Score 16-43. Favor of Bruce Campbell. Tumiyang ng 3.
Voila! Ava, sit down.
Foul by Mr.
Ava!
Papa.
On the court.
Don't go on the court.
Mr. Papaw, hinanap si Mr. Yak-Yak. Tumera ng 3. Sa sobrang laki ng masin, hindi naabot.
Yeah.
Ball, green.
Work hard pa mo.
I'm gonna make fun of you.
Number 8, dala na ng bola. Sumalaksak.
Ball, green.
Rebound by number 12.
Oy.
Tumera sa gilid again. Rebound by Mr. Papaw.
Hey, when they're shooting free throws, you should
Papaw, nakita si Okay. Okay, sa ilalim pa lang gusto niya.
Oh yeah. That's our
Kita
coach.
si Mr.
think
Yak-Yak.
about it's like Jollibee.
Tumira na.
The one that yeah, him.
More.
Yeah, he's our
Mr.
coach.
Yak-Yak. Time, 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Number 2. Pass to number 4 to
It's
Middleton.
not.
Oh, no good. Foul by Mr. Yak-Yak. Okay. Tumira ng 3, Mr. Okay. No good. Okay, nakuha ni number 8. Naarang ni Mr. G. Kita si Flo G. Foul by Papaw.
Oh!
Wala, hindi pumasok.
Oy, Philippines.
Uy, Philippines.
Oy!
Malaksak si Mr. G.
Imagine him.
Lahat sila meron G. Rebound by Mr. Flo G. Pinasa to number 12. No good. Substitution with
Bro, they're getting beat to like 45.
Wait, we're losing? Oh, wait, no, we're
We're
winning.
winning.
We're winning.
Okay.
I haven't been paying attention to the game, bro.
Tumira ng 12.
Green.
Rebound by Mr. number 8. Nag-dribble si Mr. number 8. Ooh, nice. Crossover. Okay.
Green.
Wow. Wow, Mr. Jeffy. You have 2 foul, Jeffy.
Make sure it's good.
I'll try, dog.
What?
No good. The
No
first
good.
free throw is no good. Second free
Uy,
throw.
Philippines.
Oh!
The dribble, Mr. Papa.
Let's go, kid.
Pinasa to Mr. G. Yes, sir. 2 points, Mr. G.
You need a snack?
Pagod, Brad.
A stack?
Number 9, nagdadala ng bola.
Go, Jay. Let's go.
Okay. Nagdadala ng bola, number 9. Pinasa to number 8. Okay. Nagtake out ng mga break si Mr. G.
No good.
Rebound by Pauma. Mr. G, Mr. Henderson.
Whoa!
South Kitoshiwe.
Now this is toughness.
Sub.
I want to see some Kyrie Irving plays. I want to see some like shifty.
Jip took us here for that.
Tumira si number 9.
Get ready.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Mako.
Pass to number 7. Tumira ng John
That's in the way, bro.
Mr. Jeffrey. Danarabula. Sprint move. Oh, no good. Wow. Number 2. Score 17-49.
See Ava, say hi, Ava.
Roscoe.
Give Wolfie a hug. Give Wolfie a
Top.
hug.
1 and 26. 1 and 20 seconds.
Green.
Number 8. Rebound by number 11. Yes, sir. Number 11. 3 ball. 3 ball by Mr. Jeff. Pass to Mr. RJ. Tumira ng 3. Ang layo-layo. Ben. Yes, sir. Mr. RJ. 3 ball. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. Number 8. Guarding by Mr. Jeff. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 11. Nakita si number 7. Foul. Foul. Mr. Pao. Number 11. Mr. Pao. Foul. First two. Yes, sir. It's time for the first half.
Long. 1 minute.
Score 20-53 in favor of Roscoe Bulls.
We got this shifty who put sweatpants on. Let's see if he's fit.
Okay, pass to number 9. Naghahanap na kasama. Nakita sa number 12. Tumira ng 3. Rebound by number 2. Oh, nakita ni Jeff. Nag-dribble. Pinasa to Wala. Loose ball by Mr. Lando. Nag-dribble. Number 8. Naghahanap ng kasama. Naghahanap ng asawa. Oh! Mr. Yakyak, sumalaksa. Yes, sir. 2 points, Mr. Pigma. Yak yak. Next up, number 9.
Tiger it.
You see 2 points by Mr. Zhang.
Hey, I'm practicing.
Number 9. Hanap na kasama.
JJ, I'm practicing my fingers.
Nakita si number 2.
My fingers.
Okay. Hanap na kasama, number 2. Malaksak, number 8. Yes, sir. 2 points, Mr. Number 8. Sir RJ Tumira. Yes. Now good. Number 8. Dribble, number 8. Tumira na 3.
JJ, find the battery.
Palma, Mr. Palma.
Battery.
Kuha pa rin number 8. Pinasa ko number 9.
Yeah, go
Tumira
ask
na
you.
3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Number 9. Jeff, take the dribble. Pass to Mr. Langlaw. Pass to Mr. Jeff. Tumira na 3 para bumawi. Yes, sir. Mr. Jeff. 3 points.
Where did he do?
Oh no. Oh my god.
Pass to number 9.
And get the batteries.
Nakita si number 2. Pinasa to number 12. Okay, we're going by number 9.
Where's the batteries?
Find the battery.
Number 12. You see 2 points by number 12.
I'm recording.
Jeff. Start the dribble. Sumalaksak.
No, the batteries.
Tumira na 2 points. Jeff. 2 points. Number 8. Back to dribble. Number 8. Okay, first over.
You like that? No?
Rebound by Mr. Papa. Easy 2 points by Mr. Jeff. Number 2. Dadala ng bola. Pinasa to number 8.
I do not like you.
Hindi ka nang mahapin.
Hey, give it back. You're not like you.
Time. 16 and 53 seconds. Substitution rate.
Actually, I thought that was your mom.
Score 29-64. Favor of Roscoe Bulls. Foul by Mr. G. Pass to number 44. Yatek to Meron 3. Wala. Rebound by number 11. 11 nagdadala ng bola. Nagdi-dribble. Nakita si number 7. Dribble. Okay, no long pass by Mr. Freddy Aguilar. Out.
Wolfie, no.
Black.
Filipi.
Mr. G. Bola, Mr. G. Okay, sumalaksak. Wala. Hindi mo yun na-shot. Hindi mo nakikita. Number 8, the dribble. Okay, nice move. Number 12.
Oh, yeah, that's him. I know. Are you okay?
Nakita si number 9. Tumera ng 3. Oh, no. Out of bounds.
Oh yeah, Jeff.
Okay,
King Jeff on the beat.
Oh, good.
Oh yeah, Joy. Oh yeah, Joy.
King Jeff on the beat.
Oh yeah. Joy.
Ah! 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 Jolly beat.
Oh yeah, Joy.
Number 8. Dadala ng bola.
On the beat. Daddy with mommy.
Anak na kasama. Oh, it's over.
Imagine this.
So, tumera ng 3.
Oh!
No hesitation.
That's so sad.
Number
But
12.
Gio, guess
Oh
what?
yeah, Bo. Oh yeah, Joy.
Shot.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, long.
Number 4. Mr. Langlang.
Jep, Jep. Shoot that three. Green, green.
Yes. Wala pa rin.
Long. Pass it.
Okay. Hanap na
Shoot it, Bo. Shoot it. Green, green. Oh! Shoot it, long.
Good alive.
Ah! Pass it.
Mr.
We have
G.
67.
Mr. Henderson.
We have 6.
Okay, number 8. Dribble.
Yes,
Malaksak. No good. Rebound by Mr. The muscle bar. Yap, yap. Pinasa to Mr. Jim
Oh yeah,
Jim.
Dre. Where you go? Oh my God, he almost. Green.
Tumira ng Chris, Mr. Langa. No good. Ikaw by number 9. Nagmamadali. Pass number 8. Tumira ng Chris again. No good. Mr. RJ. Pass to number 4.
Shoot that! In! Fuck! Shoot it again. Shoot it. Shoot him! Shoot! Green, check it.
No good.
Chill out, bro. Oh! Fuck, pass it!
One Mr. G. Oh,
Yeah, get it, yeah. Shoot that, yuck!
no good.
Fuck.
Time. 13 and 30 seconds. Score.
Shoot that, long.
60. In
Shoot
favor
that
of
ball.
Bristol.
Wow!
Balls.
71-32.
RJ.
71. They got cooked, JJ.
Number 8, Pinasa to number 11. Number 11. Ooh, nice back. 2 points. Number the magician, number 11. Nice 3 points by Mr.
Yeah,
Young.
yeah.
Success by Mr. Young.
Jolly B.
Oh.
Jolly B.
Number 7, naghanap ng kasama. Magilid, tumiyak, wala. Lugo. SC 2 points. Mr. Friedrich Galop.
Long, make a 3. Make 1 3.
Tumira ng 3, Mr. Langlang. Good.
No good.
Ball by number 4.
Wolfie?
Tumalaksak, number 12, kinaliwa. Yes, sir.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Mr. G, nag-dribble.
Shoot that! Ah!
Wow. No good.
Oh. Camilo.
Oh,
Bang! On the base.
sayang yung tulong.
Sayang.
Ito si Red.
Wow.
Foul by Mr. Jim. Pass to Mr. RJ. RJ, tumira ng 3. No hesitation.
13%.
Yes, sir. 3 points, Mr. RJ. Mr. Floji, nagdala na bola. Okay, nag-dribble. Pinasa to number 2. Pinasa to number 11. 11, naghanap ng kasama. Inaras ni Mr. Henry Shine.
Yeah.
Out bounds.
In a bit. In a bit.
Bound by Mr. Papa. Pass to Mr. RJ.
Yo.
Hey, green ticket.
Nah, they should have a
Black
chicken
ball.
do
They do.
Where? Where?
Parada.
Where'd it go?
I'm not putting it.
No.
Foul by Mr. G. Pinasa to Mr. Papa. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Foul by Mr. number 2. Pass to Mr. Floji. Out of bounds. Mr. Floji.
Do I turn it off when it's out?
No, just leave it. Just keep recording.
Mr. RJ. Pinasa to Mr. Kim.
Oh yeah.
Mr. Henry. Okay, still by number 9.
Green.
Tumira ng number 4.
Okay, foul.
Hey, Jeff.
But it's shooting and he's gonna make it.
114.
Green.
Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by
Oh,
Mr.
again.
Henry Shine. Number 11.
Whoa.
Pass to number 9. Pass to number 2. Floji tumira ng 3. Sayang yun. Gawan mo na lang ng kanta. Tumira ng 3. Mr. RJ. No good. Number 2. Tumira ng...
Hey, are you?
Oh,
Am I done now?
by Mr. Jib Jib.
Check.
Kita si Mr. G. The Henry Shine. Oh, Kobe Bryant move. No good.
Kobe Bryant move. Oh. Woohoo.
Steal by Mr. Jib Jib. Okay, naghahanap ng kasama. Mr. Jet Jet. Si Mr.
Well,
Okay.
Ava, get it.
Okay, third drop in my guitar. No good. Mr. Koji. Oh,
Are you done?
time out. Time out. Time out.
I'm not. You bro.
Oh, you and I'm recording?
Number 8, tumira 3.
Oh, dog, I don't know how to do this.
Mr.
I
RJ.
only know how to stand.
Naghahanap ng kasama. Nakita si Mr. Okay. Binalis sa kanya. Tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin.
Yeah,
Iba pa Mr.
I pressed it.
Chewy.
I guess.
Tumira ng 3. No good. Iba pa number 2. Number 2, nagdadala ng bola. Naghahanap ng kasama. Padribol-dribol. Oh, gusto magkaisa. Nakahanap sa number 4. Oh, nice body cap.
83.
Where'd that?
83.
Ball by Mr. Papa.
Yeah, that's.
That's it, 2
Oh,
points.
yeah,
Substitution rep.
Jaywo's not my brother. He's
Why isn't he not playing with me?
Jaywo.
85. In favor of Roscoe Bowler.
Played that.
Crazy.
The remaining time, 4 and 10 seconds.
Trading dog.
4 minutes and 10 seconds. Rebound by Mr. Papa. Pinasa akin to Mr. Oki. Kinuha sa certificate. Nakita si Mr.
Chicken Joey. Joey. You're so
Yes, sir. 3
crispy. You're
points. Mr.
juicy.
Brilliant, you know.
Hug, hug.
Oh,
Hug you.
miscommunication by Mr. RJ and Mr. Rishon.
Bro, record.
Number 9, nagkahanap ng kasama. Okay, sumalaksak.
Oh, yeah.
Number 8, nakuha ni Mr. Pau Pau. Yak. Oh, Mr. Jewel. The Mr. Henry Shine is tired.
Chicken Joy.
Number 9,
Jollibee.
number 4, meron na 3, wala.
Jollibee. Chicken Joy.
Sa
Bro, see, look at their lineup.
3
Like,
minutes.
see, they're training. You feel me?
Mr. Yak for the first time.
Now, let's go train, Jay.
No, because that's a group training. We can't. That's group
Booyah. Chop Chick-fil-A. Arrested.
Blue ball.
Ready?
Ah!
Ah.
Sumalaksak.
Yeah.
No
Wow.
good. Mr.
Ow,
Pau
ow,
Pau.
ow.
Pass to Mr. Yak.
Oh, me down.
Nakita si Mr. RJ. Nakita si Mr. Pau Pau. Pass again. Tumira ng 3. Yes, sir.
Jay, can I see the ball?
Mr. Pau Pau. 3.
Go again, do it.
She's never gonna give it. She's never gonna give it. Hey, deep ball.
Ball by Mr. RJ.
C
RJ nagdadala ng bola.
F G H I J
Sa ulit. Tumira ng 3.
Q R S T U D.
Yes, sir. Mr. RJ. 3 points. Substitution rep.
No, my A baseline.
2 minutes.
2 minutes, Berto.
Score 49-94. In favor of Roscoe
Ah, yo,
Ball.
49.94.
Hey, make it 100.
Mr. Yak.
Oh, yuck, yuck. Make it 100. 96. Jeb, make it 100.
Number 7.
Yeah.
Kadala ng bola. Number 7. Nakita si number 8. Tumira ng 3. Ball by Mr. Papao. Number 9. Okay, nakaw ni Mr. Papao.
Shoot that yuck. Shoot it.
Okay.
Oh, oh, ah.
Layup by Mr.
99.
2 points.
You're excited.
Score 49-98 in favor of Roscoe Bowlers. Tie.
Brick.
1
Yes.
minute.
Shoot that. Shoot that, J-Will. J-Will.
2 points.
99.
Mr.
100.
Shines for 100 points.
149.
Side. 50 seconds. Rebound by Mr. Papa. Nagdala ng bola, Mr. Papa. Naaga by Mr. number 2. Sumaksak si number 9. No good. Tumera Mr. Popo, no good. Mr. Henshine, no good. Papa Mr. 8. Tumera ng no 3. No sir. 2 points by number 9.
Dang, 100. 14, 13, 12, 11. Shoot that yak. Shoot it. Yak, yak.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.